Okay, I just wanted to give everybody a little bit of an update on what's going on. We've got Project Dirty Willy back in the garage, finally. I know it's been quite a while. We're finally going to get back to doing some work on this Jeep and take a little bit of a break from Project Renegade, because I know we've been doing quite a bit of stuff with Project Renegade here recently and doing a lot of audio stuff. So we're going to kind of take a break from that, from Project Renegade and the audio stuff. But we still do have some audio stuff coming. I have some more stuff from SoundStream coming for Project Renegade, and I do have some audio stuff for Project Dirty Willy here. So we will have a little bit of audio here and there, but we're going to try to get some other stuff in there. I wanted to give you guys an update. We got a couple new sponsors. We have Maxtow. They are a new sponsor of Rocky X TV. LED Glow and cruiserheads.com, or CH4x4 is what I call them. They make like switch panels and rocker switches and stuff. All the switches we have in Project Dirty Willy and Project Renegade are the CH4x4 switches, kind of like these. This is a CH4x4 switch. So is this one. I've been working on a new switch panel, or not switch panel, but switch box or relay box for Project Dirty Willy. We already have one in there, but I wanted to redo one and kind of make some improvements. This one's going to have all kinds of strobe modules. The other one has strobes too, but this one's going to have more, and it's just going to be a better quality setup altogether. It's kind of like my own design of an S-Pod. So yeah, I'm not going to say exactly what all of these parts are. You can see, I mean, we've got a little bit of stuff here to install. We've got some stuff from existing sponsors. We've got all of our wiring and stuff. I've been doing some wiring here lately, and all of our wiring is supplied by Best Connections, or you could go to 12voltwire.com and that takes you to their website. They're the ones that supply all of the wiring for the channel. So huge thanks to those guys. Big thanks to cruiserheads.com, LED Glow, and Maxtow. And this is a little piece of audio equipment that's going to go on Project Dirty Willy, but this one isn't a sponsored item. This one we had to buy. So make sure to stay tuned for all the new videos that are coming up. If you're new to the channel, or if you came across this and you're not one of my subscribers, make sure to go into my channel so you can see, you know, exactly what Project Dirty Willy is here and what Project Renegade is that I was talking about. I've got, you know, all kinds of different types of videos, you know, reviews and how-tos, installation videos, product of the month videos, tips and tricks, all kinds of different stuff. So make sure to go in there and check out a couple videos. And if you find a video that you like, make sure to hit the like button. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comments. And if you find a couple videos that you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.